Alright, let's jump right into it. Do you ever wish you could listen to your Apple Music playlists on all your devices seamlessly? Well, today I have a solution for you that will make syncing your playlists across all your devices a breeze. Now, syncing Apple Music playlists across all devices is essential to enhance your listening experience. However, many of us face the common issue of playlists not syncing automatically across different devices, causing a disjointed music experience. But worry not, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's explore how to sync your Apple Music playlists across smartphones, tablets, and computers. By following a few simple steps, you can ensure that your favorite tunes are always at your fingertips, no matter which device you're using. And here comes the key moment, the climax of our tutorial. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing all your playlists seamlessly syncing across various devices. With just a few clicks, you can enjoy a continuous listening experience without any interruptions. In conclusion, syncing your playlists is crucial for maximizing the enjoyment of Apple Music on all your devices. It ensures that you have access to your favorite tracks wherever you go, making your music experience more convenient and enjoyable. Now, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on optimizing your music experience. Also, feel free to share your thoughts on syncing playlists in the comments below. Your feedback is valuable to us, and we love hearing from our viewers. That's a wrap for today's tutorial on syncing Apple Music playlists across all your devices. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.